Hello, Marion community. Here we are at the site of the St. Francis Colonnade, a site of many commencements here at Marion University over the years. A place that has great meaning for the Marion community. You talk to a number of alums, this is where they commenced, launched, started their lives as college graduates. We educate transformational leaders, and commencement is a wonderful celebration. Our donors take part, our alumni take part, certainly our wonderful faculty and staff are at the core of it, and then right at the very center, of course, are our wonderful students. Like launching a great ship after years of building it, you've built on your education, your intellect, your character, your skills. It's like the start of the Indy 500 when that flag goes down, we're going to launch. It is the greatest celebration of the year here on our campus. Let's go forth and advance human flourishing together. Go Knights!